What's up guys, I'm Ben and this is Kame Trick. It's a channel where we enjoy drifting, usually grassroots, sometimes sim drifting as you can see, and occasionally I even make it out to pro events like FD Texas where I work with race operations. Today I'm doing a short and sweet life update video. Basically I am putting a lot of time right now into design work for Kame Trick. I'm working on new merchandise and I have some other things coming down the pipeline that are under wraps right now. But because of that, I don't have a whole lot of time to work on videos for probably the next 2 weeks. I'm just going to be doing some simple basic things, although I still hope it's going to be pretty cool and entertaining content for you guys. As far as what's coming up, I have clearly got my sim rig together. I have cut a couple of laps on it in Live for Speed, which is an old simulator I've been driving since around 2006. I haven't driven it recently and it's really great for grip. I haven't tried it for drifting yet though, so I'm going to include it in my upcoming video talking about what it's like to drift in LFS. I've also just purchased Assetto Corsa, which is brand new to me. Of course it's really popular, so I can't wait to see what Assetto feels like. I've just downloaded my first couple of mod cars for it. Assetto will also make it into my videos coming up, and yeah, I'm just really excited that all of this gear works because I purchased it gently used. I got an excellent deal on it, and I was a little concerned that the wheel might be busted or the pedals might be busted. But everything feels great, works fine, and yeah, as you can see, I'm ready to go. I do have my very lonely one monitor. This is actually the only monitor that I own. So I have pulled it off of my computer desk from over here just out of the frame. So basically I turn off the computer, move it, turn everything on, test out the driving, and then move it back and edit my videos like the one you're watching right now. It's a little bit ghetto, but soon we're either going to be going to VR or triple monitor soon-ish. I'm not in a huge hurry to spend the extra money on that. I just want to make sure everything feels good for now. But ultimately that's the goal. And that's why this piece of wood isn't painted. It's not really part of the rig. It's just on here right now as a temporary fix so that I can drive this setup. Next week's video is going to be on sim drifting, is more what it's like as an experienced drifter in real life to try and drive a sim. Because I think that a lot of people know if you don't know anything about driving, you can become a decently competent drifter using a sim. So if you drive in a sim and then you get out in a real car, you're going to shred. But if you already shred, then what is a sim going to do for you? Is it realistic enough? Is it distracting? Are you going to learn like bad habits that aren't real in real cars? Or is it going to let you push harder without spending as much time and money on travel and gas and food and tires and event fees? I'm thinking it's going to be like that, but I know without G-forces there are going to be some weird adjustments that I'm going to have to make in order to really get the maximum benefit out of this rig. Outside of that, our event last weekend went great. It was Mac Park. If you didn't see the video, I'll drop a card in up here and put a link in the description for my previous video covering it. I did sort of a course preview and strategy video for what the track is like, how to attack it, what to look out for. It's a really fun track. I enjoy it a lot. Very much a toge sort of cat and mouse tandem style track. But oh man, we are in Oklahoma and it is tornado season. We don't always get tornadoes because of that, but we get gnarly weather. So like 2 days before the event, I think it was 70 degrees and sunny and just beautiful outside. And then the day of the event, it was like 35, 40 degrees, 20-mile-an-hour winds, heavy rain every hour, all freaking day. It was a slog, just a slip and slide out there. So the footage is hilarious, honestly. But it was really challenging conditions, just not, not very comfortable. I'll say this, Mac Park is a great place to drive. It's fun in the wet. You don't have to worry about it. But those shots, I'll throw in a clip right here, like I'm Aquaman.
You that fish boy from the TV?
Oh, great. It's Fish Man.
It was so funny. I was trying to drown my buddy Jeremy's car. Fortunately, we didn't. After hours and hours of raining, the ground can only absorb so much, and it really does become just like massive puddles, which was crazy. But normally driving Mac in the rain, it's not a big deal. That footage will be coming up next, but I'm going to put it on the back burner to get the sim video out first, because I know a lot of you guys were really excited to see me build the sim rig, and that's what brought some of you new folks to the channel, so thank you for watching, thank you for sticking with it and being patient. Sim drifting is coming very soon. I do want to say thank you all for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. I just crested 750 subscribers, I think last week. So that is awesome, you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support and the comments every time somebody says, hey, I just discovered your channel. I don't know why you don't have more subscribers. This is great. Keep it up. I sure will. As long as you guys are watching, I'll keep making content. So thank you for being a part of Kame Trick. You know, I wouldn't do it without you. It's a group thing, and so I'm really glad to have you along for the ride. I hope to get to see more of you guys at events as we go forward. That's all for today's video. I'm going to go cut a couple of laps on the new sim rig here, testing out OBS, which is what I'm going to be using to record my screen so that I can make the video. Obviously there'll be like clips of me driving, and then that's going to be overlaid small with what actually is on the monitor here. So I'm going to be giving that a shot. And then, yeah, we'll be putting that video together, working on design stuff, and we'll see you soon. Our next event is May 4th at Stroud, so I hope to see you guys there. Have a good night. Peace.